spring, winter, autumn, monsoon. Superb. Okay, in the last class, we have seen the first stanza of the poem A Spring Morning by William Wordsworth, isn't it? Can you tell me the gist of the first stanza? Yes, very good. Yes. What we have learned in the first stanza? Even though there was a heavy downpour of rain the previous night, the morning is calm, bright and clear sky. The birds are singing and chattering. It describes the behavior of various birds and animals on the morning after the storm, isn't it? Okay, children, what do you learn from the first stanza? Yes, very good. Sometimes our life may be hard, isn't it? But still, it goes on. We have to live, isn't it? You should not think that is the end of it. Okay? But one day, everything be fine. Is it clear, children? Sometimes our life may be hard, but it still goes on. But one day, everything be fine. Okay, now we will see the second stanza. Before we get into the second stanza, we learn the meaning of the words. Moor, it means a large area of island covered with grass, bushes and heather with soil that is not good for growing crops. Is it clear, children? A large area of island covered with grass, bushes and heather with soil that is not good for growing crops. In short, we can say it is a land where we cannot cultivate the crops. Okay, automatically we can see the growth of grass over there, isn't it? Okay, what is my bushes? Branches, very good. And heather, it is a small plant which has a small pinkish flowers. Is it clear, children? We move on to the next meaning. Mirth, it means happy laughter. It means happy laughter. Is it clear? Okay, next, mist. What is that? A mass of small drops of water in the air close to the ground. Is it clear? A mass of small drops of water in the air close to the ground. Very good. Okay. What does it mean? It contains the small drops of water in the environment which is near or close to the earth. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Let me see the poem. The second stanza. All things that love the sun are out of doors. The sky rejoices in the morning's birth. The grass is bright with raindrops on the moor. The hare is running races in her milk, and with her feet she from the plashy earth raises a mist that, glittering in the sun, runs with her all the way wherever she doth run. All things that love the sun are out of doors. What does it mean? It's nothing but the birds and animals come out to enjoy the sunlight. The birds and animals come out to enjoy the sunlight. Next line. The sky rejoices in the morning's birth. What does it mean by rejoice? Yes, happy. The sky feels happy in the morning birth. What does it mean by morning birth? It denotes the beginning of a new day. Yes, the sky enjoys it. The grass is bright with raindrops on the moor. The grass is bright with raindrops on the moor. So already we learned the meaning for the moor, isn't it? It is a large area, is covered with the grass. Yes. The droplets of water sparkling as they are exposed to the rising sun on the land. Okay, the previous night it was a heavy rain. Okay, morning what happened? We can see the droplets on the grass, isn't it? That glitters in the sunlight. Their hair is running races in a mist. What does it mean? It is a rabbit. Here the hare is running races in joy and enjoys the sunlight. And with her feet, she from the plashy earth raises a mist that glittering in the sun. Runs with her all the way wherever she doth run. Okay. In the 3 lines, what does it mean? It is a wet or marshy. And then dot is nothing but dew. Dot is nothing but dew. Glittering means shining. What it says in 3 lines? The hare runs in splashing mist with her dancing feet, which glitters shines in the sun and follows the hare wherever she runs. Is it clear? Once again I tell you. The hare is running races in joy and enjoys the sunlight. The hare is running races in joy and enjoys the sunlight. The hare is running in splashing mist with her dancing feet, which glitters or shines in the sun and follows her wherever she runs. Is it clear, children? Is it clear, sir? Once again I tell you. Here, the birds and animals come out to enjoy the sunlight. The sun rejoices in the beginning of the new day or morning birth. The droplets of water sparkling as they are exposed to the rising sun on the land. The droplets of water sparkling as they are exposed to the rising sun on the land. The hare is running in joy and enjoys the sunlight. The hare runs in sparkling mist with the dancing feet, which shines in the sun and follows her wherever she goes. Here, now we are going to find out the rhyming words. Rhyming words are 2 or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Here we are going to find out the rhyming words. Okay, before finding out the rhyming words, once again I tell you how do you find out what is meant by rhyming words. Rhyming words are 2 or more words which has a similar or same sound. Is it clear, children? Okay, shall we find out the rhyming words in the stanza? Yes, here doors and next more. Yes, very good. Both of the words having the same sound. While we are pronouncing it, it has the same sound. Similarly, bird, with, earth. Okay, 3 of the words having the same sound. And the last, sun, run. Very good. Sun, run. Both the words having the same sound. Is it clear? Okay, previous stanza, you have to find out the rhyming words. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, now we are going to recite this poem. Are you ready? Yes. Oh, yes. Very good. Shall we start? Okay. Stand up, stand up. You have to sing along with the action. Shall we do? Okay, get up. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3. All things that love the sun are out of doors. The sky rejoices in the morning bird. The grass is bright with raindrops on the moon. The hare is running races in the mud. And with the feet she from the patchy earth raises a mist that glittering in the sun. Runs with her all the way wherever she doth run. Is it clear, children? Okay, once again I sing for you. You have to sing along with me. Shall we sing? Okay. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3. All things that love the sun are out of doors. All things that love the sun are out of doors. The sky rejoices in the morning's birth. The sky rejoices let me see the images related to this poem. Okay, shall I ask you a question now? Shall I ask you a question? Are you ready? Okay, first one. What does mean by morning bird? Yes, morning birds denotes the beginning of a new day. Very good. And what does the hat do? Okay, it runs, raises in joy. Very good. Okay, can you tell me any two rhyming words? Yes, the sun, run, and doze, moves. Very good. Okay. And okay, now let me see the images related to this stanza. See and enjoy the images. Thank you, children.